What if I told you that the way you make money today might not exist in just 2 years? AI is rewriting the rules of work, investing, and business. From automated trading to smart personal finance assistants, the digital economy is shifting fast. And if you understand how to use these tools, you can get ahead of the curve. For decades, making money meant having a job, saving some cash, maybe investing in a stock or two if you were lucky. You would rely on news, advice from friends, and your gut feeling. But now, AI can scan millions of data points in seconds, track global market trends, and tell you where opportunities may be hiding. And all before you even finish your morning coffee. AI is quietly taking over the financial world, from banks and hedge funds to solo entrepreneurs. Banks are using AI to detect fraud and approve loans faster. Hedge funds are using algorithms to predict market movements. Ordinary people, just like you and me, are using AI bots to track crypto trends and automate their investments. Entrepreneurs are launching online businesses that run 24/7 with AI tools, doing the heavy lifting. This isn't the future, my friend. It's happening right now. Let's talk about investing. In the past, you would need to be an expert to understand the charts, patterns, and financial reports. AI doesn't just track markets, it understands patterns humans can see. This means smarter investing for everyone. Now, AI-powered platforms can analyze market sentiment, predict short-term movements, suggest portfolio strategies based on your risk level. You still make the final call, but AI gives you the kind of insight that only institutions had before. AI isn't just about investing. It is creating new income streams for everyday people. You can use AI to write, design, or even automate marketing for your business. Launch a dropshipping store with AI handling customer service, or create YouTube videos, courses, or newsletters with AI tools assisting you behind the scenes. AI doesn't replace creativity, it multiplies it. We need to understand it very well. You don't have to be a Wall Street pro. AI is helping everyday people launch businesses and build passive income. But here's the catch. AI isn't magic. It's only as good as the data behind it. Of course, there are risks. Scams, bad predictions, over-reliance on tools. That's why financial literacy and critical thinking are more important than ever. AI can give you power, but only if you know how to use it. The world of money is changing fast. AI isn't waiting for anyone. Those who learn how to use it early will have the biggest advantage. You might think it's already too late to learn, but believe me, it is not. So if you want to stay ahead, learn, grow, and invest smarter, hit that subscribe button and join the community that we will build together from scratch.